Siyabingelela ubingelelayo ubaba udokotela, ubaba wesizwe, ubaba ojabulile. Ngiyathobeka phambi kwenu. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Babu Dokotela, sikubingelele siphinde sikwamukele sixoliseke namhlanje ngoba imibuzo sokubuza yona ithanda ukwalukhonyana impela kodwa ke ngoba ababukeli beBabu Dokotela TV bayafuna ukwazi uzomele ke ukuthi usicacisele. Babu Dokotela, uma sikhuluma nge-666 sikhuluma nge-ILLUMINATI, sikhuluma nge-Secret Society, bese sikhuluma nge-Ajaguraja. Ngabe sikhuluma ngani?
Now okay, asibonga kakhulu umbuzo muhle kakhulu umbuzo. Akana ukuba imibuzo yahoxishwa ku-camera bengizoyihoxisa. Uma sibheka le mibuzo yakhe iyalandelana yonke isho ngesingisi. Ake sibheke u666. Abantu ba666 ukuthi abantu abanjani? Abantu aba666 are racket society. Racket society abantu abangazithandi, abantu bama-tattoos, abantu abavamise ukuba ama-school jumpers, abasiqeda isikole, abanye bagcine beshayela oma breakdown, bangama-drug dealers, even ejele bayinikeza into yakhona kodwa bavamise ukuhlupha bagcine bema-27 nasendlini bayahlupha nje kakhulukazi. If bephakamisa indoda enkulu i-28 nakhona bahleze behlupha abantu asuke bewu-666. Abantu aba-666 banothisa even amacici bafaka amacici amakhulu. Abantu abathanda ukulimaza umzimba wabo, even into abazigqokayo bagqoka into ezinemali eminingi engasile, even emsebenzini they don't last long. Abantu asuke bengene kwi-bracket ka666. U666 uthanda kakhulukazi utshwala. Abantu ba666 bangama-drug addict ngendlela eyisimanga. But abantu ba666 is not a covenant ukuthi you become rich. Usuke ungene kwinkampani esuke ivese izokwenza into engenamsebenzi. Abantu aba666 bavamise ukuhlupha ngokuthi abavamisile ukugcina imishado yabo, even ey'nganeni zabo baba ne-vulgar language, ulimi olungahlambulukanga. Ey'nganeni zabo bathanda ukushaya amakhosikazi zabo phambi kwabo, even bengena emaklabhini njalo. Abantu ba666 kugcina bona ngoba bagcina sebekhishwa and bafuna njalo ukuba khona into yakhona ihlezi iba excited ngendlela engabukeki. Lo muntu lo usuke engene enkampanini embusweni ka666 la zama umchaza nje ukuthi umuntu wa666 labantu bangama-piercing people bavamise ukuzifaka ney'nsimbi nasolimini. Abantu labo abaka666 uma sizama ukubachaza labantu ukuthi yini lento ekuthiwa u666. Mese sizobheka i-ILLUMINATI. I-ILLUMINATI izifundiswa. Number 1, i-ILLUMINATI or igama elithi ILLUMINATI kufanele silichaze, lisho ukuthi abantu abakhanyisekelekile ngezombuso wozomhlaba jikelele, nezenkolo jikelele, nezemvelo jikelele, nezolimo nje. Bazi yonke into. Abantu asuke befunde izinto, abantu asuke bebona ngehlo lesithathu, abathi babuke ngelihlo elisesenta. Ngalo ndlela even there is why even imali isuke ivamise ukuba nento eyihlo noma ngabe benzani, but bona babheka ngehlo lesithathu, ihlo lombuso. Okusho ukuthi even umuntu oyi-ILLUMINATI, number 1, it has to be highly educated people because abantu labasuke befundile but asuke bebheke ukungamela umnotho ngokwenguyazana. Those people are called ILLUMINATI. Mese kuzoba khona abantu abangamavukana abaxhopha abantu abathi babajoyinise i-ILLUMINATI. ILLUMINATI ayijoyinisi noma ubani. You have to be a executive company owner, a judge, isikhundla esiphezulu ema-social amaphoyiseni, because basuke befuna ukucontrola zonke iy'khundla. Labo bantu be-ILLUMINATI, you must be doing very good in politics. Those people basuke bengeneni kwi-ILLUMINATI. Ngizama ukuchaza ukuthi ILLUMINATI is not for children, it's only for very rich people, not people who want to be rich, are already rich. That is why bekuthiwa abantu asuke bekhanyiselekile ngekozinto. Igama elithi ILLUMINATI it taken from enlightened mind. Basuke bazi izinto. Ayikho inkolo abe-respectayo, aba-respect inkolo ngoba bazi ukuthi inkolo ingaphansi kwengcindezeli yomuntu osuke ekhonzwa ngaleso sikhathi. Those people are so called ILLUMINATI. Joining ILLUMINATI, you don't become rich. You must be rich first before uzungene kwekhona. I-acquirement yakhona, at least you must have a couple of millions of rands in your account that are just there, not ukuthi uyakubona ngenxa ukuthi ufuna ukuba rich. Ngeze ukuthi abantu basuke kulo mhlaba ukuthi ngifuna ukujoyina i-ILLUMINATI khona ngizoba rich. Ake singeneke manje emhlabeni esibiza ukuthi i-secret society. Secret society Who is under the secret society? Secret society abantu asuke benekhundla ezinkulu kwezenkolo bayangena ku secret society. Abantu be secret society bakhonzile ukuhleze begaxe isiphambano lesi esigaxwa amaKristu. Sisho ukuthini lezakhe isiphambano kwe secret society? Sisho ukuthi one of our enemy was hanged. Okushuthi lesa siphambano siyinhlamba kubona. Batshengisa ukuthi owayisitha sethu sambulalela la. Ngalo ndlela we have to see us ukuthi we are heroes today. Uphi akekho sambulela labantu abe secret society. Abantu be secret society banendlela abagqoka ngayo very charismatic. Ngisho ukuthina indlela ebizayo abantu be secret society noma ngabe wenza uma umculi eku secret society most of the time uya excela into agqoka ngayo. Ake siye futhi kubantu be secret society so that uzokwazi ukubabona. Abantu be secret society ngizokuveza lokungamabomu. Baba nalamabhande anale khonco elinje. Ikhonco elinehlo laphakathi. Le khonco lamabhande esiwagqoka are very expensive because amabhande asuke engaphansi kwembuso oyimfihlo. It's a secret society and then abantu abafunde kakhulu ngento esibiza ukuthi Pentagon. Pentagram or Pentagon. Kwa depend ukuthi usebenza igama. Abantu ke be secret society. Ku secret society angeni noma ubani. Not noma uzongena ku secret society you have to take the vows ukuthi what you have been told awumtshela umuntu unless uyovuma ukukhishwa isibele sakho saka left. That is called secret society. Ku secret society ila ekufuna khona the core discipline of discipline. Ngalo ndlela ke abantu be secret society lapho abantu othi ungena khona angeni noma ubani. But if you really want to be rich and then do not be confused ukuthi uzongena kwi secret society ngoba wena uzoba rich. Laba abantu bavese bakwi covenant of rich. Bawumndeni oyimfihlo. They meet in the dark, they meet at night in the secret expensive venues. Baqasha amahotela abiza abathatha ama presidential ensuite bafike badre phansi ipentagram yabo bagqoke lamagama ethi abagqokayo bese bephatha lamakhandlela abovu bese benza ke lama hymns abo and nama hymns abo enziwa 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times 9 times. Into abavamisa ukuyisebenzisa kakhulukazi bavamisa ukusebenzisa igazi lenja not lengane. Amanga lento eshiwo ukuthi kunqunywa izingane abasebenzisa igazi lenja isikhathi esiningi if ngelona lenja kuba igazi lenyoka abalisacrifice. But uma uzongena kwi secret society you must be willing ukuthi uzothi undergo all their secrets ozowenza as much as ukuthi uzoba rich but you must undergo yonke lo discipline yakhona. They drill you in a level that we have to approve ubona ukuthi you qualify ukungena ku secret society. Then ke usuzobonakala ukuthi ufake ama ring anamehlo then usuyi secret society. Siyababona futhi nabafundisi abathize abadumile nabaculi abathize abadumile babandleni endaweni esihamba kuzona bafaka ama ring aka left and then basitshela ama ring avamisa ukuba nehle elishayinayo. Then labo bantu laba iningi labo basuke sebengene kwi secret society. Then mesibheka ke uAjaguraja nayo yonke lama cult ama occult lawo esiwabalayo ukuthi kuhluke ngani. Ku-Ajaguraja, it's not a secret. Ajaguraja can be practiced globally. And you don't have to be rich. You know, Ajaguraja, you can be poor, but you end up being rich. Ajaguraja, but you must be willing to do your sacrifice. As long as it's spelling. If uti AP sacrifice, uti Babu Dokotela, ngiyafuna u-Ajaguraja, I don't have money. I've got a house. I've got a car. You use a car as a sacrifice. You cannot tell Ajaguraja ukuthi Babu Dokotela ngiyafuna Ajaguraja, but I've got 4 children. I can sacrifice their souls. Ajaguraja don't work with souls because it's a different spirit. It works with sacrifices. You sacrifice into enkulu. Ajaguraja uma wena ufuna into enkulu uthi Babu Dokotela nginale imali engango 3 million. I need to sacrifice 500,000. I want Ajaguraja to award me ama-tender e-Dubai okusupply oil in Northern Africa. Then Ajaguraja uzowuthatha lo sacrifice. But Ajaguraja uma ethatha sacrifice does not take a cheap sacrifice. Killing a person is a cheap sacrifice because once uabulala umuntu cannot be entertained again or enjoyed. I-agriculture aka-enjoy aka-celebrate ukuthi wena usubulele umuntu. I-agriculture ufuna into esignificant, something that can be identified. Ngoba umathanda kubuka lokuyana ufuna izinto ezisuke zizobonakala. Engisho ukuthi abantu bakholelwa ukuthi mebethi Babu Dokotela ngifuna u-agriculture and then ma versus uma ngizwana naye ngingakwazi ukuthi ngisenzele njengomhlabeni. We don't work with dead people. We don't work with graves. Anything that is incriminating a crime with agriculture, they don't meet. And then awuzoqhamuka usuthi uzo-sacrifice into owaziyo ukuthi you are not willing to ukutshela nje ukuthi ngizo-sacrifice ngami. But uma uzo-sacrifice ngemoto, all I need is your logbook, funa ube khona copy of ID, your proof of address ukuthi ngempela uya-sacrifice ngalento. Then mase siyiraise-ke agriculture imali that siyayithatha imali because imali will be celebrated and enjoyed. But ake silungise spelling. Uma wena usacrifice ku-agriculture ngalento sacrifice ngami, I have to take certain amount of the percentage and then nami ngiyikhiphe lo certain ngiyi-sacrifice kuma-grandmasters ami engeke ngikutshele ukuthi akuphi akhona in 4 corners of the globe. Funa ngiwa-sacrifice nawa awadlulisele kuwo wonke ama-pillars aka-agriculture. Ama-pillars aka-agriculture awu-12 na-12 pillars ka-agriculture ewonke. Ngalo ndlela uma wena uthi uzo-sacrifice ngoma wakho, ngomuntu wakini, ngomkhoyana wakho, ngomkakho la ku-agriculture, mina kuma-grandmasters ngizo-sacrifice ngani? Are you expecting me to kill my child in behalf of you to be rich? The answer is hell no. Meaning that you got a wrong sight and wrong idea. Uma ukuthi kanti ufuna agriculture with the intention to commit crime on land. Ngalo ndlela if ucabanga lokho, it doesn't work like that. Then sesikunikile-ke i-study as understand ukuthi who are the 666 and then who are the Illuminati, who is a secret society, who is agriculture. Sekukuwena ukuthi wena ukhetha kuphi lokho. Uma kuthi ukhetha lokho and then usuzohamba indlela yakho ungasaqala emuva usuwazi ukuthi lana kuyenzeka yini. Uyabuza ukuthi Babu Dokotela uma ngena ku-agriculture can I come out? The answer is yes. If you were poor and then now agriculture has made you rich, you can always be poor again. Take drugs, uzoba poor ngokukhulu kushesha. Thatha imali yakho sacrifice entandaneni uzoba poor ngokukhulu kushesha and then agriculture will leave you poor again. Meaning that uyakwazi ukungena agriculture ube rich, uphinde futhi umuntu ufuna ukuphuma, uphinde futhi uphume. Ukwenza waba rich kulungile. Uma usufuna ukuba poor futhi uzoba poor futhi. Into elula nje. And then sibonga kakhulu-ke nge-insight kababa o-agriculture ukuthi simchazele. And lastly but not least, ngizocela ukuthi ngithokoze ngokuzehlisa nami ngizehlise ngomuntu. We are all people or persons emhlabeni siyalenza iphutha. This is an extract. Kunomfanyana osemncane wa-1980 something and obezibiza uSekos Kholana and okhuluma amagama angajwayelekile ngesigodlo esikhulu samadoda omgede noBabu Dokotela. And then ingqomo bese sizithathile, they were not going to be reversed. Ngalo ndlela ingqomo engizithathile ngalo mfana, I'm not going to reverse it, but I'll promote it. For him to die, he must die in poverty so that to be rich. Don't get me wrong. For him to die, he must die in poverty. Yonke into emhluphekisayo sizokhulula u-agriculture ukuthi anything spiritual that causing him to be poor, it will die. And then if it dies, I will ask him ukuthi abheke ngaselangeni ekuseni abize igama elithi agriculture times 9. Uma esebiza igama lakhe times 7, aphinde abize igama elithi agriculture times 9. Uma esebize noma imalini ayifunayo emhlabeni, agriculture will bring it. Because ifuna ukuthi ngoba ngeke sakwazi into esishilo sihope u-agriculture asonesilimo. Awuzofika umtshela into manje saseyijiki. Sithe akafa, fine. Manje sithi akufe inhlupheko kuyena so that his life will be promoted to another level. Because we want him to be one of our representatives. We want him to be one of our son in our secret world of wealth. And then anything ekuyena ehluphekayo emhluphekisayo sizorelease u-agriculture ukuthi leyo nto mayife, but ife ngokushesha. Njengoba kade simkalo befuze kushaya umgqibelo esebande ematrain. Lokho-ke kufuze ukuthi within 9 days from now ezoseva u-agriculture ekhuluma no-agriculture njalo ekuseni acele ku-agriculture abize i-agriculture times 9, abize igama lakhe times 7, abize u-agriculture times 9, abize noma imalini ayithandayo. Agriculture will do it. And uzokwenza manje, believe you me, situation yakhe it will change. It will change in a sense that no one will believe. Lento esiyiphethe akuzona le igubhe enisitshela ngazo, akubona le mpondo enisitshela ngazo evigazi. Siphethe into ongeke uzukwazi ukuyenza, ungeke uze uyiperform, but now siyayiperform manje. This is secret and sizo unlocka impilo yakhe lo mfana in a different way. Siphethe le ngidi, anything that was blocking him sizoyivula akwazi ukuthi aphile kamnandi. Sizokwenza yonke into ajagoraja la simenzele sacrifice, a strong sacrifice, so that he will lose unchained, so that igama lakhe lizobala nabantu asebenemali eSouth Africa. Although he cannot reach 1 million within 1 month, but he's going to be one of people abanemali right bank, hayi imali ezophuma. Asibonge kakhulu okhulumayo Baba Dokotela. Siyabonga.